Hey folks, welcome to Two Guys in a Ride. This is Revved and Reviewed, comprehensive car reviews in 10 minutes or less, starting right now. This is the all-new 2025 Nissan Murano Platinum, a midsize SUV that's shaking things up with a bold new redesign, elevated luxury, and surprising performance chops. Could this be the premium crossover that checks all your boxes? Stick around, let's find out. For 2025, the Nissan Murano comes in three trims. There's the SV front-wheel drive starting at $40,470, the SL all-wheel drive starting at $46,560, and this particular one, the Platinum all-wheel drive, starting at $49,600. The Platinum trim, our focus here today, offers top-tier luxury and technology features. So what's new for 2025? Well, this year the Murano introduces big changes over previous years. The biggest of those, a couple of them here, is a new powertrain, a 2-liter VC turbo 4-cylinder engine that replaces the previous V6, delivering 241 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. Then there's the transmission upgrade. Now it's a 9-speed automatic transmission, and that replaces the older CVT, enhancing driving dynamics. The new Murano's design strikes a balance between bold presence and refined elegance. That sculptured bodywork with its wider stance, chiseled lines, and aerodynamic silhouette, well, the Murano commands attention from every angle. And what's really cool, I like the signature lighting. Sleek, crystal cube LED headlights and taillights not only elevate the look, but also improve nighttime visibility and road presence. And I love that panoramic moonroof, which is standard on the Platinum trim. This expansive glass roof bathes the cabin in natural light, adding a sense of openness and luxury. And finally, wow, upscale wheels. Those 20-inch machine-finished alloy wheels provide a confident stance and enhance the Murano's premium appeal. Okay then, stepping inside, you're immediately greeted by an environment that feels more like a luxury lounge than a midsize SUV. The Platinum trim features semi-aniline quilted leather upholstery, which not only looks upscale, but also feels incredibly soft to the touch. This premium leather is more breathable and supple than standard leather, adding an extra layer of comfort on long drives or daily commutes. The diamond quilted stitching adds a handcrafted aesthetic that elevates the overall design of the cabin. Accents like the contrast piping and stitched door panels, along with satin, chrome, and wood grain trim pieces, round out a space that's refined without being overdone. This Murano Platinum offers zero-gravity seats, which are designed for comfort on long drives, heated and ventilated seats, which ensure comfort in all climates, and one of my favorite features, the massage function, available for both driver and passenger. And of course, wireless charging that keeps your devices powered without the clutter of wires. And there's ample storage featuring multiple cup holders and USB ports for convenience, and 64 color ambient lighting. All of these features definitely elevate the cabin experience. Now, on the dashboard, you see dual 12.3-inch displays, one for the digital gauge cluster, another for the touchscreen infotainment system. It offers an intuitive layout, user-friendly controls, and high-quality materials throughout the whole cabin. Slide into the back seats of the new Nissan Murano, and you'll immediately notice that this SUV doesn't treat rear passengers like second-class citizens. The rear cabin is spacious, thoughtfully designed, and packed with comfort-focused features that elevate every ride, whether it's a quick errand run or a cross-state road trip. Rear passengers enjoy heated seats, which are standard on the Platinum, USB ports for charging on the go, cup holders placed conveniently throughout, and spacious legroom that ensures comfort on longer journeys. The rear seating area in the 2025 Nissan Murano is more than just an afterthought. It's a refined, quiet, and relaxing space designed with both comfort and practicality in mind. Stepping out, taking a look at the cargo area, when it comes to practicality, the Nissan Murano doesn't disappoint. Behind the rear seats, you'll find a generous cargo area that easily accommodates everyday essentials, whether that's a week's worth of groceries, sports gear, or a stroller. Nissan designed this space with convenience in mind, offering a low liftover height and wide opening that makes loading and unloading less of a hassle. But fold those rear seats flat, and Murano really stretches its legs. With 60/40 split folding rear seats lowered, you unlock up to 63.5 cubic feet of cargo space, more than enough for your weekend adventure gear, home improvement hauls, or even small furniture pieces. Now, let's talk about safety features. Well, there is the Nissan Safety Shield 360, which is a comprehensive suite of safety technologies. You also have ProPILOT Assist, which is an advanced driver assistance system, and Google built in, which offers seamless integration for navigation and more. Out front, taking a look under the hood, we see that 2-liter VC turbo 4-cylinder engine, and as I mentioned before, this cranks out 241 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, and it is driven by a 9-speed automatic transmission now, and all-wheel drive is standard on the Platinum. 0 to 60 time estimated around 7 seconds, and braking 60 to 0 in approximately 130 feet. Okay, let's talk about the dimensions. Well, its overall length is 193 inches, its width is 75 inches, and its height is 67 inches. This vehicle can also tow up to 1,500 pounds. It has a fuel tank capacity of 18.7 gallons, and its fuel economy, 21 city, 27 highway, and 23 combined. How does it stack up against its competitors? Well, who does it compete against? There's the Chevy Blazer. The Blazer offers sportier handling, but lacks the Murano's upscale interior. Then there's the Honda Passport. Passport provides more off-road capability, but falls far short in cabin luxury. Then there's the Toyota Crown Signia. The Crown Signia boasts better fuel economy, but it does come at a much higher price point. Okay then, 3 things that I like about this new Nissan Murano. I love that luxurious interior with all those premium materials. I love the smooth and quiet ride. And I love all that advanced technology that comes standard. However, there are 3 things that I do not like about this new Nissan Murano. Limited towing capacity compared to its rivals, and there's no hybrid or electrified powertrain option, and it is less off-road capable than some competitors. What about warranty? Well, the Murano comes with a basic warranty of 3 years, 36,000 miles, and a powertrain warranty of 5 years, 60,000 miles. So, is the 2025 Nissan Murano Platinum the right SUV for you? If you're after a midsize crossover that effortlessly blends upscale comfort, advanced technology, and standout style, this might just be the perfect fit for your driveway. Thanks for joining us on Revved and Reviewed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.